welcome new followers. Hello, I'm so happy to see you here. Thank you so much, Chibi, for the raid. We give a big wolf smooch to Chibi. Thank you again.
You're so cute. Oh my
no,
gosh,
stop!
When you hold
No,
the hand,
not in front of,
twitching like
not
it's
in front of the
nothing.
raiders. Holy shit!
And you're like,
Phil!
And Penis Kun is so happy.
Not Penis
It's the most adorable thing ever. When sperm someone comes out and you're really shy, so you have to work hard. And when Penis Kun and sperm summon me, and they're